Hi guys, it is move-in day and Lena and I are making pancakes. I just posted
You see me?
yeah.
Oh.
I just
Behind you.
I just posted a story on my podcast Instagram just being like, I have some time till I leave, like ask me any questions. And it only has 3 responses and they're my cousins. And literally these are the responses. How many times have you cried already? Have you always been this talented? And then Lauren said, who is your favorite cousin? You can't say George. So,
George is one of our cousins.
yes. So, those are my only fans and so I wanted to give you guys a little update. So I've been here now for over 24 hours and we're pretty much all moved in. I'm waiting for my negative COVID results. So I'm quarantining and I've been stuck in here for a full day now. So I'm already kind of going crazy, but my roommate just got her negative test. So she's out on campus doing something. And I wanted to show you guys the progress of the room. So it's super cute. The only weird thing about my actual dorm is that there is one bathroom that only has one shower, one sink, one toilet for the entire floor. So like if someone's peeing, you can't shower. It's just like kind of weird. But that's the only weird thing. So I wanted to show you guys the dorm and what it looks like. So you walk in, this is my roommate side. And then as you turn to the left, this is my favorite part. So we have the fridge, and I have some ice in the freezer for iced coffee and my water bottle. I'm super extra with the whole coffee situation, but we got an espresso. This is a milk frother, and what's so cool about it is that you can froth cold or hot milk. So I'll link that below. I love that. And I just have my coffee cart where I have sweetener, dish soap, cleaning supplies, espresso stuff, oat milk, and then coffee cups. I have my towel on this door. So we initially didn't think that there was going to be a mirror here, so we got one, but this is the one that came with the room. I put my hats here, and then this is the full-length mirror that we got. I'm still getting my artwork framed, so I only have this collage that I made when I was deep into quarantine. I have my everyday bag and backpack on my bed. My bedding is all from Dormify. This was a gift from my big from my last school. And then these drawers just came, these are from the university. Hang on, let me close this. But I have things like bras and underwear, workout stuff, PJs, sweatshirt, sweatpants in there. Then right beside it, I have necessities, so like hair stuff, medicine, and down there is like miscellaneous. And then this is kind of what my bed looks like. Bed into desk. Put a nice little calendar. This is my desk. My roommate's sister actually got us these flowers and they're so beautiful, so that was so nice. Picture of me and my boyfriend. And then I'm kind of using this also as my side table. So I have my Laneige, Purell, and then this is some awesome relaxing mist, and I spray this when I'm going to bed. I cannot recommend a laptop stand more. I've been loving it so far. I think it'll be great for online classes because we're going to be constantly on our computers, constantly looking down, and this really helps bring it to eye level and you're not like straining your back and neck as much. Nice little mirror. This is where my makeup is, perfume, and blue light glasses. These are from the book club. And then here I just have storage, and then in these drawers I just have kind of everything that I can't fit anywhere else. And I haven't fully organized those, so I'm not going to show you in depth, but that is the dorm. I'm really happy with how it's turning out, and I think it's really cute. I'm really excited to get my prints framed and put them up here, and I'll probably update you guys in another vlog about that, but this is the status. I just realized that I didn't record an outro for this video, so I hope you guys enjoyed it, and subscribe for more college content, some lifestyle things, beauty things, and everything in between. But again, hope you enjoyed, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys!